Hello, welcome to RJ Reviews. On today, we're installing 16 gigabytes of memory for a 2012 MacBook Pro. Stay tuned. This product is manufactured by Timetec and it contains two 8 gigabyte memory cards. We'll begin by shutting down the machine. You'll notice in a few seconds, the screen will go dark. To remove the bottom case, flip the machine bottom side up and begin to remove all screws, short screws and long screws. Once all the screws have been removed, you may now remove the bottom case. The existing memory cards are now visible in the middle of the screen. To remove the first card, depress the fasteners outward, away from the card. The card pops up. You may then remove it from the slot. Do the same steps for the second card as well, which is beneath the first card. Now that both cards are removed, you're now ready to install the new cards. Insert the first card into the bottom slot and press down on the card. Insert the second card into the top slot and press down on the card. Now that both memory cards are installed, turn over the machine and start the machine. This is a test to ensure that the memory cards are properly installed. If you have issues booting up the machine, connect the power source and then start the machine. To ensure the memory is properly installed, click the Apple link, click About This Mac, and you'll then see Memory 16 gigabytes or the respective memory you installed. Now that the memory upgrade is complete, add the bottom case to the bottom of the machine and add the screws back to the bottom of the machine. And that concludes the installation of two 8 gigabyte memory cards. Thank you for visiting RJ Reviews. I trust this video was beneficial and added value. If so, subscribe, leave a comment, give a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you. Check this channel frequently for new content and new reviews. We'd love to hear from you. Take care. Bye now.